So now let's dive into our supplementary budget. Okay, Chief Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I've been Adekule Ahmed Tinubu, I've been name we wake up to see now be president name. It can be Adekule today, it can be Adekule good tomorrow, it can be Adekule good Tinubu. Make Africa a global economy, and that. Welcome to show 748. The previous time I was talking about the 5 billion being the least of our worries. Now, why I said that is, let's dive into the 2023 supplementary budget. The budget is 2.17 trillion naira, out of which 7.3 billion naira is for procurement of cars for presidential villa, 13.5 billion naira for renovation of presidential villa or office, I don't know, 30.5 billion, 30.5 billion to renovate, no be to build. They want to renovate with 13.5 billion. 12.7 billion naira for presidential fleet, like the plane we get before, no one will function again. So we need new presidential or probably bulletproof fleet or bulletproof jets. So we can see 5 billion our least worry. We just a shout 5 billion are distraction.